In larger span agricultural buildings and those used for high unit intensive rearing, considerable ventilation is required and can be achieved by the use of spaced roofing. To achieve this, Profile 6 roof sheets can be supplied specially trimmed to 1000 mm with the corrugations finishing on an upturn to allow maximum ventilation whilst minimising the potential for weather ingress. Place the first sheet as per standard sheeting with the centre of the top purlin 50 mm down from the head of the sheet. Lay the second sheet with a minimum 150 mm overlap. Due to the spaces being left between the sheets, mitering is not required on a spaced roof. Fix into the centre of each purlin through the crown of the first full corrugation in from either side of the sheet. A soaker or DPM strip should be installed beneath each gap in the roof sheeting to protect the purlin, especially where this is timber. Fix the next run of sheets with a gap determined by the ventilation requirements of the building. This should be between 15 and 25 mm to minimise snow bridging and reduce the risk of rain penetration. Alternate tiers of sheets should, ideally, be turned around so that they are laid with large rolls adjacent to each other, like so.